Alright guys, so we are off to something called Park It in the Market, vintage motorcycle and car show down in Greenwich where I live. Now apparently this thing has been going on for years. I've lived here for 10 years, I never even knew it existed. So I feel it's my duty to check it out. It's on until, I think it's just the summer months, but like I said, the last Thursday of every month. If you're in the area, check it out. And I'll put up some vids now so you can have a look. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Adios. Tell you what, that was a bloody good evening, that was. I'd say it's more car biased than So I was checking my mics on. Car biased than motorbikes, but that's fine. You know, they're all really lovely. Mostly Harleys, custom Harleys. Some old school Triumphs in there, a couple of old Hondas. But yeah, and the food was, oh man, that sort of food, you know, kind of hot dogs, burgers, that kind of stuff. Top notch, really good evening, and it's free to get in, you can't knock that. Alright guys, that is it. I will see you all soon. Have a good one, take it easy, adios. Boy.